know from where we came, but we shoot for the stars. Oh yeah, I cannot complain, I've been blessed by the gods. Amen. My success insane, it look like a mirage.
Good evening, YouTube. Today we're going to be installing some LED lights for the footwells, because these are incandescent bulbs. They're yellow. They don't really match the center up here, which is like a nice bright and white light. So this one here is pretty simple. This is the driver's side footwell. Just pull this out. Bam. Here's the new one. Multi-angle bulbs. We're gonna just plug this in. So you're gonna plug it in one way, and then if it doesn't turn on, then try flipping it around and re-plugging it again, and then that should make it work. All right, so that was pretty easy on the driver's side. All I did was just push it in, and now it matches the footwell and the center lights. Now we're on the passenger side. Here's the difference. Driver's side, passenger side. We got the passenger footwell LED bulb in. It is now on. It matches the center light. It looks much better. Just more uniform, more clean. So pretty easy mod to do and pretty cheap as well. These bulbs are about $2.50 each. Well worth it. Quick and easy and cheap mod for the Jaguar F Type. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Have a good one.